Lacey Ellen Fletcher, a 36-year-old resident of Slaughter, Louisiana, led a remarkably unconventional life. Afflicted by severe autism and potentially locked-in syndrome, Lacey's existence revolved around a couch within her parents' residence. For an estimated duration of 12 years, Lacey remained immobile, her body gradually merging with the couch due to prolonged lack of movement. Acting as her primary caregivers, Sheila and Clay Fletcher, both 64 years old, dedicated themselves to her well-being. The unveiling of Lacey's remains. Lacey Fletcher's remains were discovered in a partially unclothed state, seated upright, and partially submerged within a crevice of the couch in her parents' home. This 36-year-old woman, who lived with autism, had not shifted from her position on the sofa for an extensive period of 12 years. Lacey's face displayed prominent and inflamed red patches, while her entire body was smeared with excrement, including her hair and even her ears. A pungent odor reminiscent of a latrine permeated the room, and Lacey's emaciated frame weighed less than 100 pounds, attracting maggots. The jury was presented with such distressing and disturbing images that medical professionals were prepared to assist the 12 panel members. The photographs left everyone in the courtroom utterly speechless, with some jurors audibly gasping in horror and others staring in disbelief. The coroner, Dr. Ewell Bickham, stated that the cause of death stemmed from severe medical neglect, which led to chronic malnutrition, acute starvation, immobility, acute ulcer formation, osteomyelitis, bone infection, and finally, sepsis. Legal proceedings. Following the discovery of Lacey's body, her parents were charged with second-degree murder. The evidence presented to the grand jury included graphic images of the living conditions in Lacey's physical state, which were so revolting that medical personnel were on standby when the images were shown. To everyone's surprise, District Judge Catherine Jones dismissed the murder charges against Clay and Sheila Fletcher, the parents of Lacey, on the grounds of a technicality in the indictment. This unexpected ruling occurred prior to the scheduled trial set for June 2023. Back in May 2022, a grand jury in Clinton, Louisiana, had indicted the parents with second-degree murder. However, in July 2022, Clay and Sheila Fletcher pleaded not guilty to the charges. In spite of the charges being dropped, District Attorney Sam D'Aquila intends to present the case again to an alternative grand jury on June 19. His objective is to secure the arrest of the parents on fresh charges and strive to bring the case to trial before the year concludes. According to reports, the parents were away from town when Lacey passed away. They asserted that Lacey had no desire to leave the house and never expressed any dissatisfaction with staying at home. The couple mentioned that Lacey would urinate on the couch or a nearby towel, and Sheila would diligently attend to her daughter's sores.